What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Well, here we are, you guys, right where we left off on the hygiene and hair aisle. We have a lot of brand new Ioni items to look at. The display is very cute and designer bag inspired. Let's start right here with this primer. We have a face hydrating primer. Wow, super cute packaging. We have a face finishing spray. We have a glitter liner. Some of these are just sitting right here and not hanging up. We have a highlight. We have a mini perfect brow. We have golden glow. A brow gel.
Amanda, to register, please.
We have a brow pencil. We have a mascara. Dramatic black mascara. We have a liquid felt tip eyeliner. We have a pencil eyeliner. That's the metallic liner. We have a liquid lipstick. This is the color. We have another one. I just love the packaging, you guys. Isn't it so cute? We have a tinted lip balm. I'm just so in love with this packaging. I just can't get over it. They did such a nice job. We also have a clear lip gloss. Wow. I mean, they're just giving us so many to choose from. And the packaging is all just so cute. Okay, where did this one go? We have glow. But you do have to get down on the floor to look through everything. We have the glitter liner and the highlight. Where'd the little highlight go? Wow, that was really fun looking at those. It's always exciting when we have a whole brand new line of something. I love it. These little brushes are back. They're super cute. Let's see what's new over here. Items from the Scoonsy brand.
There's nothing left here. It's Christmas.
That's okay. I'm still finding good things. Ooh, these are new. These are new, you guys. They're calling them twin bead ponies.
But I think there's something no nuts. Okay, if they're, I'm gonna check now on the way there to check, make sure there's still no.
Hasn't touched any.
Oh yeah, there should be no nuts.
Okay, let's see what else we might have. Ooh, I wanted to get a couple of these sponges. Some of the ASMR cleaning channels use these sponges. I kind of wanted to try them. They don't feel like they're the best, but I kind of wanted to try them. Oh, look, you guys, more new socks. Men's juncture socks. Juncture has given us a lot of new socks recently. Keep calm, I'll fix it. We have Kiwi Shine and Protect. What color? I don't know if it's just black or what. Let's see. This one's brown. Okay, are they all brown? Let's see. I think they're all brown. Space cat. These are new. New eye masks. Aw. This one looks like it was at the top of the box and got totally sliced with the box cutter. These are nice. I haven't gotten my husband a new eye pillow in a long time. That's what he calls them, eye pillows. Little eye mask. We'll give that a try. Thinning shears, dog nail clippers. We don't always see those. All the little harnesses, collars, leashes, training pads if you have a new puppy. Little squeaky dog toys, the little animals. We have cat nail clippers too. Oh, they have the little toys here. Aw. I wanted to get a couple of these. These are cute, aren't they? Aw. Where's your smile? Do you have a mustache? I think you have a mustache. What about you? Okay. I had a cat named Mustache when I was little. Isn't that funny, you guys? I was really little. I named it Mustache because it had a mustache. In you go. I wonder if we have anything new down the cleaning aisle. This is one aisle that's pretty well stocked always, even with Christmas. I mean, I know everyone's cleaning a little more than usual, but it's not like we have to go out and buy a whole bunch of stuff, you know? I don't know about you guys, but I always stay pretty well stocked with cleaning supplies, like really well stocked. Let's take a peek down this aisle. Oh, these are new, you guys. New and name brand from General Mills. We have the Sesame Street cereals, 12 ounces, and the box feels super heavy. Let's see. I don't know what the flavor is at all. 140 calories. Let's see, maybe it says. Oh, 1, 2, 3 berry. Lightly sweetened cereal made with whole grains. I don't know. Guess we could try it. I'll get a couple. Sesame Street cereal. Name brand cereal at Dollar Tree is always a great deal, especially when it's full sized. I think I'm going to start another video. I'm going to figure out what aisle to start on. I might just start right here. So definitely join me in my very next video, you guys. We're going to see what else is new, what else is name brand, and what else is like something that totally surprises us that is actually here. Because you know we're always finding things that cost a lot more at Walmart and even Target. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.